Graad 11, vandag gaan ons die kwadratiese formule doen, the quadratic formula. And we use this specifically when you have a trinomial, a quadratiese drieterm, which you can't find the factors for. So this always works. It's a foolproof plan and it's going to be your new best friend. So this is the formula that you have to learn. It's x is equal to negative b, the negative is part of the formula, plus or minus, so that accounts for the two different answers of x, and then the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2 times a. And we get that the a is the value we have in front of the x squared term, the b is the value you'll find in front of the x to the power of 1, en c is die konstante term. So ek gaan net een voorbeeld saam met julle doen, and then I'm going to give you 4 to do for homework for tomorrow. So as hulle vir jou sê, byvoorbeeld vind die oplossings van dit. In other words, they ask you to solve 4x for this equation. Now you can go and you can try and factorize that into 2 brackets, but you will see that you will fall short because it is impossible. But luckily we have this formula. So now we identify a is equal to 3 because I find it in front of the x squared. B is equal to 5 because I find it in front of the x to the power of 1. And C is equal to negative 1. Don't forget the minus. Okay, en dit gaan stel ons nou in ons formule in. So jy gaan sê x is gelyk aan minus 5 plus of minus 5 kwadraat minus 4 maal 3 maal minus 1 op 2 maal 3. So in other words, A goes there and there, B goes there and there, and C you put in there. This 4, or this negative 4, and this 2 is part of the formula. Okay, goed, en dit gaan tik jy nou op jou sakrekenaar in. Now my advice to you is to type it in. Sorry, I don't know why I zoomed out now. To type it in with a plus. So first do the plus. So gaan tik in, maar tik die hele ding in. Minus 5 plus vierkantswortel van 5 kwadraat minus 4 maal 3 maal minus 1 over 2 times 3. And then you press is equal to, and then I'm going to round it off to 2 decimal places. So I'm going to say that's 0.18. Now don't clear your calculator and use your arrows to go back to that plus and then do the minus. And then you just press your equal sign again. So x is equal to 0.18 of x is gelyk aan minus 1,8. Okay. So I want you to, for homework, do exercise 4, number 1 to 4. That's on page 31. En rond hulle vir my asseblief af tot 2 desimale plekke.